Today, we're going to unbox this car tablet holder mount that was actually sent to us by Try One. So, thank you very much, Try One. This is actually perfect for families with kids who like to be entertained while riding in the back seat, and even more perfect when taking long road trips. So, inside, there's actually only a few items, and everything is securely nestled in foam packaging. First, we have a warranty card with some contact information, and this looks like the actual tablet holder. This is supposed to fit devices from 4.7 inches all the way up to 16.1 inches. And so there's a couple of other items here. This looks like it's a couple of hooks and then there's a bar that extends across the two front seats. And this is actually where the tablet holder will be mounted. So, in a follow up video, I'll demonstrate how to get this attached to the car seat so the kiddies can watch their favorite shows while on the road.